Okay, Craig, another problem with these is the compressor seal. We all know about the leaking compressor seals. So, a lot of times, if that compressor seal inside here is leaking, you're going to have oil seeping out of this split here at the plenum. You're going to have a smell in the cabin or not, and you're going to have some oil at the bleed extract point here.
A good amount of time, especially on the retrofits, a 150CL or a 150G, because they have the ported shroud, you'll smell it before you see it. Even when it's leaking, you won't see it most of the time unless it's been leaking for a while. And what that smell is, the best way to describe it is a musty smell in the cabin, only when the APU bleed air is on. If that smell goes away when your engine bleed air is on, you can rest assured your compressor seal is leaking in the APU.